Hi, I'm Manilin Yudiguro. I'm 33 years old. I'm single but I have 3 daughters, 11 years old, 4 years old, and 2 years old. My education is fourth year high school only. My working experience in Kuwait since 2016 to 2018, I served 5 family members, 1 couple, and 4 kids. 5 years old disabled, 3 years old girl, 2 years old girl, and 1 year old. And I do cooking food only for baby, ironing, cleaning, and washing. While in Hong Kong since 2019 to 2021, I served 3 family members, 1 couple, and 1 kids, 11 years old boy. And I do ironing, washing, and cleaning. Thank you.